If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA. I am here to share with you guys some dies that I received from L.O.V.E Arts. I was contacted by one of their representatives who wanted me to just choose a couple items from the store and just to see how they cut and work with them, do a project or so. So I'm going to share with you guys the dies that I picked, and then I'm going to play with them, and then I'll come back with a project that I made. So the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is this cute little bow. I did cut out the dies so I can just, you know, show you guys a sample of what it looks like. So this is a cute little bow. It's like a filigree bow, and it cuts very nicely. So this is how it cuts, and this is using 110-pound weight cardstock. So that's really cute. I'll have the listings of the dies down below, the links. And then I picked up this little Hexagon die, really cute, and I'll give you a quick measurement. It is approximately 4 3/4 by 3 1/4. I think this would be a cute layered, like if you do a shaker or something like that, be really cute. And it also cuts out really nice. So that's what that looks like. Really cute. I just did white cardstock, so you guys can see. And the next thing that I picked up was this set of bag toppers. I think they are so adorable, and they're even more cute in person. You get 2 different sizes, and this is how they cut. So this is one size. Isn't that adorable? And even I can see like a charm. If I was a charmer, a little maker, put a little charm down here, a little dangle. And this is the second one. Here we go. Oops, turn it around this way. How cute is that? So give you a measurement of this. From tip to tip, it's about 4 1/4. And this one is about 3 1/4. All right. And then I picked up, get that out the way, this cute little, oh gosh, I love this die. How cute. It's stitched. I love this design. Really cute. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers, with the biggest layer being about 6 inches by 3, and then the smallest one is a 1/2 inch, 1 1/8 by 1/2 inch. So it's so cute, and it's stitched. So I didn't separate them, obviously, so they're all cut out. You can layer them like this. I just cut it out in one, you know, one whoop. But you can also just take them off, and then they'll all be solid pieces. So this is the largest one. And of course, this this little dot wouldn't be on the die. It's because I have them still connected on there. So this is how I cut them all out, so they can layer. Really, really cute. And then look at this tiniest one. Do a little sentiment on there. So adorable. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. So anyway, that's that die. I'm going to play with that one. I can't wait to play with that one. And then the last thing that I picked up were a set of bone folders. You can never go wrong with bone folders. So I like this one. It has like a little ergonomic feel, and I have a couple of these. And then this one is really cute too. I mean, not cute, but I mean, it's efficient, effective. It's long. So those are the items that I picked up from L.O.V.E Arts. And next you will see what I did with these items. All right, see you in a bit. All right, guys, so what I created with the dies are a couple different projects, really easy to make, and these are all kind of happy mail ideas you can use these dies for. I will have the links to all the dies down below in the description box if you guys are interested. So I cut out the bow die, which is a kind of like a filigree die. It's an intricate die, and cut out very easily. Have a little pop dot in the back, and I cut it out 3 times in heavyweight cardstock and then 1 time in pattern paper. And I have the different designs of the pattern paper. It's just a simple bow that could be used to put on as an embellishment or on a packaging. And then I have a tiny little bling center in there. And then for just a quick easy packaging idea, I have some dangles and then this little flower, huge flower, all that I got from my stash. Folded it over with some paper and then did a little cute little punch. And this can go inside, you know, a little Happy Mail idea that you give to someone. So I think these bows layered are very, very nice. Really, really cute. So I created that. And then I created something with a cute little bag topper. I think these are so adorable. Great way to package up something small. In this case, I've added some pearlescent beads. You can do a sequin mix or anything like that. Tiny little gems, tiny little charms. Just a really cute little bag topper. And then I just put them in these little opaque bags, these frosted colored bags that I get. I love these. I have these in several different colors and sizes. And then I was going to put like a little gem here, which you can, but it would have hidden what's inside. So I opted not to do that. And I just added some flowers from my stash and then a tiny little sentiment that says Forever Young. So cute. And then with a larger bag topper, flowers are so cute. These flowers are handmade by Shatavia, who is Cuddle Me Clay Tay on Instagram. I use the bag topper to package this up, and this would be a great gift. However, this is for video purposes, and nobody's getting these flowers. No, I'm just joking. They're so cute. But I added some flowers over here to decorate it. I added some rumpled little tablecloth, some ribbon, and then a little chipboard piece that says the party is here. Really, really cute bag topper to be able to decorate something really nice. With the Hexagon die, I cut this out 4 times in heavyweight cardstock, and I decided to leave like the pieces. I left these open. You could layer this with some acetate and make a shaker if you want, but I decided just to keep this pattern. I liked it, so I left the pieces on the perimeter and then the little diamonds in the center. I thought those were so cute, cut out really, really nicely. I have a happy sentiment that I've cut out 4 times, 3 times in white cardstock and 1 time in this copper. And then I added some little beads, really cute. And then on the inside, I finished it out with some more cardstock and some copper colored paper. So really cute card. I just did the width of the Hexagon die. Super simple and easy to make. And then for my last project, I created a fun, super cute banner for my room. I mean, how adorable is this? Gosh, it's so pretty. It's so shabby. And then I cut out some letters that spell out love, but I use the nesting die for this. I'm going to move this up a smidge. You guys can see. They are all the same, obviously, besides the letter. So what I did was cut out 2 of the nesting dies. I added a die in between, popped this up on dimensionals, did some distressing around the edges and some whitewash to the paper. I added some lace. There's a chipboard heart behind here. And then, of course, the letter I cut out a couple times, added some flowers. And for the top, I have some bits of lace, a little snowflake die, and then a gold pearl at the top and the bottom. There's also some eyelash trim. I cut 2 holes, 2 rectangle slits with a little punch that I have so I can thread through the pink seam binding so I can hang this in my room. And they all, like I said, are the same. But how cute is this? Look at the dimension on there. I love this die. It's so, so cute and elegant. And I love this banner. It's going to go in my room and it's going to go super, super cute. So anyway, these are the items that I created as a guest design for In Love Arts. Again, I will have all the information linked down below in the description box. I want to wish you guys a happy new year. Cheers to something different. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Be sure to like this video. I really would appreciate it. Just take a quick second, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to. All right, bye.